Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use paint on supports in PrusaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. Now first what we are going to do. So we will switch here in the top right corner from beginner mode to expert mode like that. And now the second thing is basically we need to import our 3D model. Just a moment that I put it in. So let's say I will do this one here. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's say this is okay, or maybe. Okay, so I have changed the model because we will talk about the supports. So uh, we can do this right here with this model because it has a head. Now what we need to do is select your model basically, so you see that it's now highlighted, and click the paint on supports tool on the left toolbar. You can also just press the L key on your keyboard and you will see here paint on supports, so this one right here. Now you see that model turn light gray to help you see your work. Okay. Now what we can do here is hold the left mouse button and drag these four supports to grow uh, like here. As you can see here. Um, Now hold the right mouse button and drag. This will stop supports from growing there. So as you can see, I can do this. So I can color, oh, sorry. I can color this one here that where I don't want the supports. Let me do it like that. It won't be so precise because it's just to show you how you can do this. Now we can also erase what we don't like. So let's maybe this one here. So we press Shift and with left mouse we can delete this color right here. Okay, we can also here in this pop-up window, which you see here on the left, we can highlight overhang by angle. Then we can change type of the brush, and we have smart fill also. Brush shape we can change, brush size we can change, and clipping of view we can also change. But if we don't want anything anymore here, we can remove all selection and start from the beginning. We can also click here automatic painting. So if you have something already, it will erase, as you can see. So let's say do that. And now you can see here with the blue line, oops, we have here now some marks right over here. And now we can fix this if we want. We can remove it. So let's remove this one, for example. As you can see, now we can remove all of them here and paint with the red one, which is basically that we don't want here any support, something like that. When you are finished, uh, you will just click on Slice It Now here at the bottom right corner, and yeah, G-code will start, simple as that. And we will have here supports, as you can see. So now we can look below it. As you can see here, I took away these supports and they are just right here as we draw it. So I hope this video some kind of helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.